want to write a piece which is cryptic and esoteric to part, the slow from the quick-witted. There, where the ingenuity will appear, therefore let no one mock or decry it, until he has spotted the pearl that the clueless would have quickly ignored, and the ignorant muses and gapes when knowledge embarrasses him. Yet I shouldn't, because of the heat, hold back from the things that bother me, for that evil from which I expect worse, I hear, is spreading through the world against death, which is concealed to the living, and rejoices when folly, which will be reproached to us, makes us waste time. Who hasn't sought protection? I see great agitations that do not fear the truth. Virtue grow faint, and although I seek the pain that makes them fall from high to low. Those who have put pure joy aside for the sake of a bitter secret grudge, before they have turned their new pleasure into the old, and have had a chance to turn back, will have their assurance fail them. He who follows the broader path confuses the clear day with the dark evening. Still, the vast majority pass there, for I only see a few left, and before they are warm, the day will be too short. Debauched by prolonged lust, which spreads as dew does, they keep a foolish conduct. The neglect of a sinner abandons truth a lie. Deception bites the deceiver back, although it sharpens his pleasure, and after having tested him a bit, it usually trips him, and when it has buried him deep, its attitude is changed. Its essence turns from sweet to bitter. Ladies and lovers and husbands have a pride that makes them suffer, and the malicious slanderers have too much ease of talking ill. For as far as the fruit goes, treason is beyond all bounds. Goodwill is praised, but the matted word that goes around undows its prowess, turns them away. They have neither valor nor endurance. The authors tell us this: treacherous affection prevents from serving pure love those who follow it. I have chosen the wrong side, for I have supported it so much. It quickly weakens Samson, and does the same with the entire lineage that owes its birth to Adam. My seed must not perish,